Hi folks, Randy Martinez here from IT Pros Management. We've been doing a lot of SharePoint design and development work, and a question I get asked a lot by our clients is if there's an app to access my SharePoint site. And the answer is yes. So in this video, I'll show you how to install the Microsoft SharePoint app on your mobile device and how to access your SharePoint sites from the app. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, we have our mobile device here, so we're going to go ahead and install the SharePoint app from the App Store. So first thing you do, obviously, is we're going to go to the App Store. Going to do a search. And we're going to search just for SharePoint. We see it there. We select it. There is a Microsoft SharePoint app, so we're just going to go ahead and get that app. Go ahead and put in our password. Okay, our SharePoint app is now downloading. Okay, our SharePoint app is now downloaded on our device. So we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to go ahead and sign in with our Office 365 account. So now we're going and setting up the account. We're going to go ahead and allow notifications. And there we go. We are now logged into our SharePoint sites, and now we're able to see all the SharePoint sites that we have availability to. So we're going to go to the demo site, which is the site that you're seeing here on the screen. And as you can see, the demo site here is exactly the same site as here, except modified for the mobile device screen. And now we can access everything that we can on our SharePoint site right from our mobile device. So to recap, I showed you how to install and connect your SharePoint site using your Microsoft SharePoint app. The app allows you to access your SharePoint site and all the resources that you have available right from your mobile device. The app is also available from the Google Play Store for your Android devices. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button below to get notified when we release additional training videos to help you navigate your modern workplace. If you have any questions or want to leave us some positive comments, please be sure to comment below. And I want to say thank you for spending your time with me. I look forward to reading your comments. Take care and have a great day.